Hi, welcome back to Divine Times 2. So glad that I am able to share another delicious recipe with you, our awesome subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, welcome and please consider subscribing so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Today, I am going to show you how to make Cuban style breaded steak. It's crunchy on the outside and tender and flavorful in the inside. Pair it with white rice and it will be a fantastic dish. Growing up, my mother would make bistec empanizado and it was so good. We would have breaded steak at least twice a month. So it was a real treat when we had it. Okay, let's get started. In a gallon-sized bag, I am going to add the ingredients to marinate 6 cube steaks. Half teaspoon ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and you may add more or less to your liking. Half cup sour orange liquid. My mother used the juice of real bitter oranges, but it's hard to find them here. And 1/3 cup olive oil. Close the bag and combine the ingredients. After the ingredients are well combined, add the cubed steaks. Close the bag again and move the bag around to coat the steaks with the marinade. Place in the refrigerator for 30 to 60 minutes. I am going to use 2 sleeves of saltine crackers for the breading. After the crackers have been processed, place the cracker crumbs in a container where the steaks will be easily coated. Now to give the cracker crumbs more flavor, add 2 tablespoons dried parsley, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, and mix well. Cover and place to the side. To garnish the steak after it's plated, I have a half cup diced white onions and fresh Italian parsley. I am going to break the parsley leaves with my hand and place with the onions. Stir and then place in the refrigerator until it's ready to use. I am slicing 2 limes to squeeze over the steaks once they are plated. Cover and place in the refrigerator until ready to use. I have washed 3 cups of white rice and it's ready to cook. I have the breading station ready. Make sure you use one hand for the flour and cracker crumbs and the other for the eggs. If not, it can become messy. I am using peanut oil to fry the breaded steaks. Once they are golden brown on one side, carefully turn each one over. I wish you could smell these steaks. They smell so good. Steaks are nice and golden brown. this is how I will plate each steak. Squeeze lime juice on the steak, and if you've never tried this, you need to. It boosts up the flavor of the bistec empanizado. So yummy. Well, guys, I hope you loved this recipe as much as I do. This Cuban style breaded steak will not disappoint. Make it for yourself, for friends, or family. You are going to love it. Please give us a thumbs up, and it would be fantastic if you would share this video. Remember to stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.